Good day everyone, today I'm at a brand new project, ELTA, coming your way extremely soon. This project is extremely attractive. It's in the heart of the rejuvenation of Clementi itself. It has very good schools ranging from primary all the way until tertiary institutions, and it's something that you cannot miss in terms of supply because it's the first launch here in 4 years. So if you're looking for a product in the market in Clementi itself, this is the one for you. So come, let me take you on a tour of ELTA. So this development is brought to you by two renowned developers, namely MCL Land and CSC Land. And under their belt, they have done numerous developments in Singapore. So if you're looking for a quality product, look no further. So this towering model behind me is a depiction of ELTA, your future home. There are a total of 501 units in this development across 2 different blocks up to 39 stories high, from 1 bedroom plus study units all the way until 5 bedroom units. So whatever your requirements, ELTA has it all for you. So the unique thing about ELTA is that it is perched on elevated ground, thereby giving you towering views of the surroundings itself. Certain units on the higher floor facing the south will actually have sea views too. So for facilities, this development is well spec'd out. You have a pool, a gym, various pavilions, and even a tennis court for the comfort of residents. So living at ELTA places you in the heart of Education Alley. Schools here cater to a wide age group from primary school all the way until tertiary institutions. You won't have to move out of ELTA itself. International schools are also located close by, thereby catering to a wider market range. Transportation amenities around ELTA are also robust. Located close to the development are Clementi MRT Station and Clementi Bus Interchange. Likewise, if you do drive, AYE and also the West Coast Highway are located close by. So if you're looking for retail and dining amenities, this development does not disappoint. 321 Clementi is located close by along with Clementi Mall. Likewise, Star Vista and IMM are just a short drive away. For individuals who work, you can easily commute to International Business Park, Science Park and also Maple Tree Business City, which are just located close to this development. Likewise, for nature lovers, you're surrounded by a myriad of parks, allowing you to immerse in the surrounding greenery. Bukit Timah Nature Reserve is located close by, along with Kenridge Park and also Dover Forest Trail. So I'm currently in the 2-bedroom plus study unit, and efficiency is the core design intent over here. If you realize something, the kitchen is tucked away neatly in one corner. Your study area, dining area and living area can be combined into one enlarged living space. But more importantly, both bedrooms are also ensuite for your comfort. So welcome to this very unique 4-bedroom dual key unit that is well suited for multi-generational families. If you enter the unit itself, turn to your left, you have a fully functioning self-contained bedroom. And walk further down, you arrive at the unit proper. This unit is very well laid out. Your living, dining, even the dry kitchen is seamlessly merged into one larger space. But more importantly, the kitchen is enclosed, naturally ventilated. You even have a storeroom plus a WC at the end for larger families. So welcome to this exquisite 5-bedroom unit. As you can see, space is in abundance over here. Your living, dining and even your dry kitchen is combined into one enlarged space, and this area has both breadth and depth to suit larger families in your entertainment area. But one thing I want to highlight, all bedrooms in this unit alone are all ensuite. So if you thought the dry kitchen was good, the wet kitchen is equally good too. This place is naturally ventilated, is enclosed. But one more thing, you have your yard area, a helper's room or at least a utility room over here, and a WC, thereby segmenting the back of house and the front of house very clearly. So ELTA is in the heart of the rejuvenation of Clementi. There are so many schools here ranging from primary schools all the way until tertiary institutions. You don't have to move out of this development at all. So seize this opportunity. This development is the first one here in over 4 years. Make your appointment with your preferred Huttons associate and I'll see you at ELTA in person.